Hey y'all, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, as you read by the title and thumbnail, we're going to be putting in a center console in my 2013 50 F-150. Here's the center console out of a Lariat 2013 F-150. Picked it up on Marketplace Friday. Today's Monday. And, you know, I was going to wait to get a shifter for it. And I need a shifter. I need the wiring harness because this one has a column shifter in it. And then the HVAC pipes, because I can get those to work. Because basically all you need is the wiring for these to turn on, and they work just with the normal how it is now, and then the wiring harness for these two. So I need the whole wiring harness for this. And if we come over here, right now it has a jump seat in it, and it's ugly and I hate it, and it's really dirty because my hand's always on it. But yeah, so this has to come out, and this seat has to come out. Oh, and also, update for you guys. My speaker rack is in, and it's not mounted, so it's just, I can just push it back, which sucks. It's stupid, but yeah, I just need to mount that. I've had it done for about a week. I got 6 DS18X. I think they're like 250 watts each, 500 watts max, and then 2 3.8-inch super bullet tweeters. I'm getting LED rings for that. These, I will do an update video again, wiring those and putting those on, and that's probably when I'll mount it too. But yeah, so I got an update on Speaker X for you guys, and then we're gonna be throwing these in. So here's a clip that I recorded a couple days ago of putting fiberglass on. Alright y'all, so as you can see, I told you I was going to show you an update on the Speaker X that I'm working on at the moment. So right now, we have this one that is for a 2004 Chevy 1500 extended cab. And he has 6 6x5s and 2 tweeters, exactly like mine. But if you know anything about cat eyes, they got huge windows. And then this one right here is for a 2004 LB7. And yeah, this one even has a bigger window, but this is 2 pods. It's 2 6x5s and 2 3.8-inch tweeters, the super bullet ones that DS18 makes, the light up ones like I have. And this one, 6 6x5s for a 2017 F-150. He wanted the full rack and had to make the cutout for the the seat belt, because they don't come out in those years like mine does. But yeah, so we're going to start throwing some Bondo on. I'm having my mom bring me paintbrushes so I can put more epoxy on these two, because this is for my buddy. If you watch the LB7 or the LLY video or whatever the frick it was, LB7 video that we put his straight pipe on, that's him. This is going in his truck. So let's start putting some Bondo on, because I got some big divots to fix. Don't know how I'm going to do that yet, but guess we'll try. Alright, so I'm working on 3 speaker racks at the moment. All the wraps come for tomorrow, all the fabric. But I got 2 pods for a 2004 LLY Duramax. And then this one is for a 2018 F-150, 6 6x5s. And then I have a speaker rack for a 2004 GMC 1500 extended cab. 6 speakers and 2 tweeters. So those are the updates. That one's getting LV wrap. This one's getting a duck camo wrap, and this one's getting bottomland fabric wrap. But yeah, there's a little update. I'll probably put those in the video of me wrapping them. I don't really know yet, but yeah. If you want to know what speakers I got, I will put screenshots here and here. But yeah, I will also put the links down in the description for you guys. But let's get to putting this center console in. Alright, so first things first, we got to take this passenger seat out and then get the jump seat out. And then we will be able to start taking the plastic pieces off. These ones right here to put the new ones on. And then we got to put the mounting bracket on. So let's do it. Alright, y'all, so I don't really think I even showed you much, but so this came out of 2013 F-150 Lariat. It did have a shifter in it, but the guy tried not doing this. The guy that I bought it from, he had the same exact truck as me, but as an XLT single cab, and he tried putting it in and not doing the shifter. So he tried to like make it a cup hole thing. I already took that out, but it has the HVAC system in the back too, and the 12-volt outlet, and the other 12-volt outlet. or the AC outlet, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. But this thing is in immaculate condition. Like the leather on it, immaculate. It's kind of dirt on the inside, but that's whatever. But yeah, I think it looks really nice. Really clean. And then the two dash pieces are just like my truck, just shorter. So that's also good. They fit right. So yeah, that's the overview of that. So right now I got this out, the jump seat. And then now what I'm going to do is vacuum this because it's disgusting under here. Like, this is absolutely terrible. My truck's never been this dirty, so I'm going to vacuum everything, make it all look pretty, and then I will get back with you guys. But next thing's up, we got to take this this out, this bracket for the jump seat. All right, so I probably went a little bit overboard and vacuumed the absolute dog crap out of this. But if anybody knows what the heck this is a 12th Gen F-150. I have no idea what this is. It says restraints control module. Don't know what that means. Don't know anything about it. Let me know. But that seat has to come out because to get this bracket out, we have to take that seat out. So yeah, but we're just going to fold that flat back over. We got stripes. But yeah, I'm going to take that seat out, finish vacuuming that side, and then we're going to take this bracket out. All right, so now that we got that side cleaned up, and the seat taken out, now it's time to take this little plastic thingy off, and I really hope this will go in because this was a lot of work for it not to fit. But I'm pretty sure that mounting bracket over there looks the exact same as this one right here, so hopefully they bolt right in. Don't really know though, but let's hope for it because I'm low-key scared that it's not gonna fit, but I think it should because it has that piece right there. It's the same exact dash besides this part. Yeah. Because in my old truck, if you go watch the old videos, there was a little screen right here. But this truck doesn't have that because it's a base model. So yeah. If you guys have a part out truck, let me know for a 12th Gen F-150 Lariat. Because I need its entire dash. The entire dash. But yeah. Let's get to taking that out. All right, so we got a thing. So like I said, how I need a dash. Here's why. I need the plastic piece that goes from here and to here, and then it connects right there. I need that. So I'm gonna go to the junkyard tomorrow. Hopefully I can find that. I'm kind of gonna be pissed if I can't because I sure as hell don't think that has it, the junkyard near my house has it, but whatever. Hopefully they'll have a shifter or something. But yeah, that's the only thing that sucks is that gap right there. But you know what? I don't even care right now because I just want a center console. So now we have to take this out because I just figured out that they're not the same. That has 2 bolt holes right there. That does not have 2 bolt holes right there. So yeah, let's do it. All right, now we got the dash in, or not the dash, the center console in. Now it's time to put the seats back in, get this girl back together, and then I will be done with today's video. And also, guys, I just made literally one of the best marketplace finds ever. It is a full leather interior dash and center console, which I don't need a center console anymore because I have this. But the center console, I'm going to sell it for like $300 and get my money back for this. And he only wants $450 for it. Pop up a picture right here. But I'm so excited to go pick that up this weekend. I'll make a video about that. But now time, let's get this thing back together. All right, y'all, so I forgot to record a video after I finished because I was in a rush. But we got the whole center console in, both seats. And like I said in the video, we're missing this plastic piece. And the deal that I got on Marketplace about the seats, center console, and dash, the guy sold it without even telling me. He just posted that he sold it. So I'm kind of mad about that, but whatever. I still need to find a shifter, the wiring harness, and yeah. Other than that, it looks nice. Other than that piece right there, but that wouldn't have been there if I got that dash. But whatever. So right now I'm about to go home and take out this headliner because my girlfriend got me 1,100 stars for my birthday, and I want to redo this suede, and I need to fix this because the paint's chipping because I didn't really paint it that good. I kind of rushed everything, but yeah, I want to redo not the visors themselves. I just want to repaint this And then this is sagging because I didn't know what I was doing with the suede. It's really sagging back there, but yeah. And there's creases in it. So that's all gonna get fixed. So I'm gonna take this out with my brother, and then we're gonna rip this headliner out, rip the suede off, and then rip all the stars off. So I will see you guys when we get to doing that. All right, y'all. So we're gonna be closing out this video today with showing you some stuff inside the interior. Whoops, whoopsie-doo. Guess what I just spent the last 3 days doing? Putting in a 1,000-piece Starlight headliner kit. I did all the suede. It's all perfect, just like I like it. This one looks so much better than my last one before, but I'm gonna get to putting this Starlight kit in, and then I will see you guys when I'm done, and I will show you them on, because my truck's dead, so I gotta jump it. But yeah, I will show you guys. So I did find this clip that I got last night. The suede is all perfect. There's no wrinkles or anything. You can't feel any stars, and I think it looks amazing. All right, y'all. So sorry about how I look. It's really early in the morning. I'm at work, but I wanted to finish this video a good note. We got all the stars done. We got all 1,100 of them cut and done last night, and I didn't record anything because I was so freaking tired. It took forever to get all these cut, but yeah, there we go. And let me show you the logo. There's the logo that I did. All 1,100 stars are done. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and comment what else I should do to my truck, what you want to see as content. So if you want to see me build more speaker racks, let me know down in the comments, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.
Hey, you ain't never sold no word, high skirt, when I pull up in that vert.